I made some gaming setup on my gaming consoles before. And now let me show you about my gaming laptop as well. Welcome everyone, this is Roland and let me share with you a little bit of tutorial how I made it. Starting off with my Acer Nitro 5, my Mackie CR3 and my IKEA Dagotto. First, let's take out the IKEA Dagotto out of the box, following with its assembly. Since there will be no ventilation for my laptop, I need to drill some holes. Using two small L-bars like this and with drilling another holes with the shape of a small line, which is enough to insert the L-bar, it will serve as a lock to prevent the laptop from sliding down. I also drill some holes for cable ties to hold the LED strip. And now let's go ahead with my speaker. It's because it has a green outline, I need to cover it with a carbon fiber wrap with burgundy color, just to match the color of my laptop. Applying this sticker, I need to warm it up using a hairdryer just to let it form on the tweeter as well as on the subwoofer. Then I need to cut it out very carefully. Now here's my final setup and hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think, and also if you have any questions you can leave down below and I will do my best to respond ASAP. That's all about it, and I'll see you again on my next video.